Put the work in. See that right there? Let me get some of that action. Put this Beardo pump to work.
Straight from the man himself, Grombeardo. This is not sponsored. My buddy found these actually. He told me to hurry up and go get one because I only have 3 left in stock. So went over there, grabbed one, then found out he had a YouTube channel. Seems like a super sick guy. We got it here. No way. Stop playing. Stop playing, Beardo. That's sick. Definitely going on the Grom key. Some sick stickers. Okay. Drop them again. The police are not your friends. He left me a little note at the bottom. That's super sick. Y'all go check out his YouTube channel and obviously his company. He has the best oil pumps, in my opinion, and in a lot of people's opinion, because if you watch videos on him, he has the most quality ones. No kinks, no JB weld, no bull crap. He uses aluminum tubing. So yeah, before we get into this, huge shout out Grombeardo. Thank you so much for the stickers and the note you left, keychain, key tag thing. I really appreciate it. Gonna slap this on the Grom dude and do some wheelies. We can get to work. Alright, well, got the stock oil pump out. Now let's install the Grombeardo pump. It's got a little keychain on it with his face on it. It's pretty cool. Oh, and his face is on the pump. I will unplug the spark plug wire, crank it, just to kind of send oil through it, I'm assuming.
Hate it.
Hopefully that's good.
That's crazy. It can. Yeah, he does not care a bit. But that's crazy that it can wheelie like a stretch platform.
I'd be scared to try it.
I would be too. But here we are. We put the oil pump in at 158 miles. We got, what do we got? 178. And probably like 2 or 3 of those miles were on the back wheel. So the oil pump is working so far. We didn't blow her up. And I don't know if I've shown you guys yet, but we broke this piece of plastic out of here. Broke every single one of the tabs. If I haven't shown that yet, I'll throw a clip up right here. Oh my God, I wasn't filming for none of that. That was the most insane thing I've ever seen you do. Do it again. He just made me want a handbrake. Oh. See that right there? Golly. I didn't know he could do that. Your boxers are showing.
They look good?
They look good. Dude, that makes me want a handbrake.
You should get one, it's fun.
And then if I had a little 12 bar with the pegs, I could just step around on it.
Cheat code.
Yeah, I want the cheat codes. Put the work in on this nice cold evening. All right, let me get some of that action. Put this beardo pump to work. He's on the phone call. Whew. It's not really much I can say other than the build quality on it is amazing. And I've never had any of the other ones in my hands, but I've seen videos of other ones and people comparing the two. He's definitely got the most quality one that I've seen. Check it out and check out his YouTube channel. He goes to group rides and makes some videos of him riding around with his wife and his daughter. So that's super sick. But right now we're going to meet up with Ryan and a couple other Groms. So I'll catch up with you guys whenever we do that. Cold. I really want to learn those no throttle hands, then no handers, so bad. Just across the board on all the bikes. Got some distance on the knee knocker. That thing was screaming. Holy, it's cold. Hopefully you guys can see. I don't really know the proper night settings for this GoPro. MotoGP on the Grom. Oh, I can't breathe, it's so cold. Probably gonna end the video off here. It's freaking cold. It's hard for me to talk, hard for me to think. Get Ryan to yank one up for us. There you go. He just put a new 12 bar on it, so hopefully you all will see him scraping in the near future. I need to get me one in too to end this. Get up here in tandem with Dylan. But yeah, conclusion of the video, you guys need a grombeardo oil pump. Oh. Yeah, what he said, grombeardo oil pump for the win. There's no other option. Get one of his keychains too. They give you some steez, some style points. They help you with knee knockers and all around. So yeah, appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully y'all are liking the mini videos. Let me know what y'all like the best. See y'all in the next one. Peace.